grout is a mixture of cement, sand, and water that fills the gaps between tiles. It is porous, which means it can absorb dirt, grime, and bacteria, making it look stained and discolored over time. Cleaning grout tile is essential not only to maintain the appearance of your floors but also for hygiene reasons. Method 1. Using baking soda and vinegar. Start by mixing equal parts of baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the grout and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray the solution onto the baking soda paste. The mixture will start to fizz, which helps to loosen dirt and grime. Use a scrub brush to work the solution into the grout, and then rinse with water. Method 2. Using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Another effective way to clean grout tile is to use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Mix half cup of baking soda with 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the grout and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, use a scrub brush to work the paste into the grout, and then rinse with water. Method 3. Using a steam cleaner. If you have a steam cleaner, you can use it to clean grout tile effectively. Steam cleaners use high-pressure steam to clean and disinfect surfaces. Fill the steam cleaner with water and turn it on. Hold the steam nozzle close to the grout and move it back and forth to clean the grout. The steam will help to loosen dirt and grime, making it easier to clean. Method 4. Using a grout pen. If your grout is stained and discolored and won't come clean with traditional cleaning methods, you can use a grout pen to restore it to its original color. Grout pens are light markers that contain grout paint. They are easy to use and can help you achieve a professional-looking finish. Congratulations, you've learned the best ways to clean grout tile. With the tips and tricks we've shared in this video, you can keep your floors looking clean and beautiful.